So today's short story is going to be The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, a shepherd boy tended his master's sheep near a dark forest, not far from the village. Soon he found his days in the pasture very dull. "There is no one to talk with, and there is nothing to do," he would moan. All he could do was talk to his dog or play on his shepherd's pipe. One day, as he sat watching the sheep and the quiet forest, he thought of a plan to amuse himself. His master had told him to call for help if a wolf should attack the flock, and the villagers would come running to drive it away. "If I alert the village that a wolf is here, people will come. Then I'll have lots of people to talk to, and what fun it will be," the shepherd boy thought. So, though he had not seen anything that even looked like a wolf, he ran towards the village, shouting at the top of his voice, "Wolf! Wolf!" As expected, the villagers, who heard the shepherd boy's cry, dropped their work and made for the pasture with great haste. But when they got there, they found the boy doubled up with laughter at the trick he had played on them. A few days later, the shepherd boy again shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" Once more, the villagers ran to help him, only to find that they had again been tricked. Then, one evening, as the sun was setting behind the forest and the shadows were creeping out over the pasture, a wolf really did jump out from the underbrush and start chasing the sheep. The boy ran towards the village, shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" But though the villagers heard the cry, they did not run to help him as they had before. "He cannot fool us again," they said. The wolf carried away a sheep into the forest. That day, the shepherd boy learned an important lesson. If you desire people to believe and trust what you say, you must always be truthful. The end. So basically, please don't exaggerate on something, because after a while, if you keep doing that, no one's going to ever believe you. So that'll do it for today's story. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video.